Hi, dear Matt. This is Shirley. Now I will show you our current mixer. Let's see the details of the mixer. Okay. See, this is the welding part. And see the nameplate 2021. This is our new model. To see the inside, this is half finished. Before the shipping, we will clean and oil spring
and grinding this part of.
And okay, see here.
Here is the welding part.
Hi Kevin, can you help me to record the welding details to show Matt? Here, the left of the mixer.
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
The another side.
Okay. Come here. Right, the right part.
Oh.
The motor. The mixing part.
This is the welding part. It may be a little dirty.
But before the shipping, we will clean and make oil spray to make it beautiful and clean.
Sharding.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi Matt, this is our new model mixer, mirror polished. Looks more beautiful. The wetting part. Hi dear Metal, this is the mixer in production, and later we will pour it. And now the worker is do the sealing. Food grade. So beautiful. Kevin, you are so handsome.
我听不懂你在说啥。